Are you struggling to manifest your desires? Do you ever wonder why some people effortlessly attract their dreams into reality while others struggle to make it happen? Well, get ready because we are about to unlock the secrets of manifestation and reveal a powerful prayer that will change your life forever. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of manifestation. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals on the path of manifestation. In today's video, we will delve into the incredible power of present tense affirmations and how they can unlock the secrets of manifestation. We will also explore the concepts of divine timing, spiritual alignment, and the dance of manifestation. So, get ready to discover the secret manifesting prayer for the universe that will help you manifest your deepest desires and transform your life. Let's start with the power of present tense affirmation. Did you know that by utilizing affirmations, you can boost your confidence and manifest positive outcomes in your life? Research suggests that daily affirmations can improve your outlook, increase your self-esteem, and combat negative thoughts. That's right. Affirmations have the ability to transform your life story and your perception of the world. Many successful people, like Tony Robbins, emphasize the importance of positive self-talk and affirmations in achieving success and well-being. It's crucial to understand the concept of speaking in the present tense when using affirmations. The universe operates in the present, so when you frame your affirmations in the present moment, you align your vibrations with your desires. Your words have the power to shape your world, so be mindful of the language you use in your affirmation. Dolores Cannon, a renowned regression therapist and author, often talked about the significance of present tense affirmations in her work. She believed that by using present tense language, we can communicate more effectively with the subconscious mind and create lasting change in our lives. Dolores Cannon's regression therapy sessions revealed that our subconscious mind is like a powerful magnet that attracts experiences, people, and circumstances based on the beliefs and thoughts we hold. By using present tense affirmations, we send clear signals to our subconscious mind and the universe about the reality we want to create. Your everyday thoughts and emotions are like continuous prayers sent out to the universe. By broadcasting in the right frequency and using the right affirmations, the universe can't help but listen. However, it's important to avoid impatience and obsessively checking for results. Trust in the timing of the universe and have faith that your desires are being worked on behind the scenes. Understanding divine timing is crucial in manifestation. Divine timing is the belief that everything in your life happens at exactly the right moment. It assures you that the universe is working in your favor, even when things may seem tough or might not make sense at the time. Dolores Cannon's work also touched upon the idea of divine timing. She often spoke about how certain experiences or challenges are necessary for our soul's growth and development. By trusting in divine timing, we allow ourselves to surrender to the greater plan that is unfolding for us. Trusting in divine timing can make a big difference in your manifestation journey. It helps you let go of the need for control and surrender to the greater plan that is unfolding for you. By engaging in spiritual practices like meditation, visualization, journaling, and affirmations, you can strengthen your connection to your higher self and develop deep trust in the timing of your manifestation. Dolores Cannon believed that when we align ourselves with our higher self, we tap into a higher state of consciousness that is in tune with the divine timing of the universe. This alignment allows us to co-create with the universe in a more harmonious and effortless manner. We must remember that divine timing means that everything is happening for us and in our favor. Even if certain events or circumstances may seem challenging or unexpected, They are all part of the divine plan for our growth and evolution. It's important to embrace both the light and shadow aspects of our journey and not use divine timing as an excuse to bypass necessary inner work. Spiritual alignment is key to manifesting your desires and experiencing the magic of divine timing. By letting go of lower vibrational energies such as fear, doubt, and jealousy, and aligning yourself with love, gratitude, and abundance, you open yourself up to receive the blessings and manifestations that are in alignment with your highest good. Dolores Cannon often emphasized the importance of aligning our energy with our desires in her teachings. She believed that when we align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of what we want to manifest, we create a powerful energetic field that attracts our desires effortlessly. Now, let's discuss the dance of manifestation and the concept of reciprocity with the universe. Manifestation is not a one-way street. It's a partnership with the universe. The universe responds to our requests by sending us opportunities, chance meetings, or even challenging situations to test our resolve and prepare us for our desires. Dolores Cannon's work expanded upon the idea of the dance of manifestation. She believed that we are co-creators of our reality, and the universe responds to our intentions and desire. Through our actions, decisions, and continued focus, we keep the dance of manifestation going. The universe seeks a long-term relationship built on mutual respect and energy exchange. It's through our deep connection with the universe that we unravel the magic of manifestation. Dolores Cannon encouraged her clients and readers to visualize their desires as already present in their reality and reinforce their beliefs with positive affirmations and actions. Cultivating feelings of deservingness, openness, and gratitude is crucial when it comes to manifesting our desires. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of abundance, we create a harmonious dance of reciprocity with the universe. The more we express gratitude for what we already have, the more we attract abundance into our lives. Dolores Cannon's regression sessions often revealed that gratitude is a powerful force that amplifies the manifestation process. When we express genuine gratitude for what we already have, we signal to the universe that we are ready to receive more blessings and manifestations. We hope this video has shed some light on the secrets of manifestation, Dolores Cannon's teachings, and the power of present tense affirmation. Remember, manifestation is a journey of growth and learning. Embrace the lessons, detours, and growth that come your way. If you enjoyed this valuable content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comment section. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and may all your desires manifest in perfect divine timing. Thank you for watching, and may your journey be filled with love, abundance, and joy.